Hello friends, welcome to the tech world. If you're one of those wondering where Samsung's magic has been, then hold on tight. Because the company is ready to shake up the market once again. And we're talking about a 5G smartphone, that isn't just a phone, but a powerhouse that fits in your pocket. So if your budget has been giving you a headache, and you dream of taking DSLR level photos, then you gotta watch this video till the very end. Because today, we're unveiling every secret you want to know about Samsung's upcoming monster, the Galaxy Ultra Neo 5G, its killer features, mind-blowing price, and that launch date the whole world is waiting for. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive right in. Features of the Samsung Galaxy Ultra Neo 5G. Display. The very first glimpse of this phone will hook you. You're getting a stunning 6.85-inch Super AMOLED display. But it's not just about the size. The real fun is in the buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate, making gaming and scrolling an absolute dream. Topped off with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 for protection, and an in-display fingerprint sensor for fast access. In other words, one look at this screen and you'll know this is no ordinary phone. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the most insane part of this phone, the camera. On the back is a quad camera setup. The main camera is a whopping 200 megapixels. Yeah, you heard that right, 200 megapixels. It's joined by 3 more cameras, 50 megapixels, 13 megapixels, and 8 megapixels, making every shot perfect. And selfie lovers, get ready. On the front is a 50 megapixel selfie shooter. So whether it's a selfie or a night shoot, this phone will stun you everywhere. Performance. Powering this beast from the inside is Qualcomm's latest and most powerful, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. This processor is absolutely perfect for heavy gaming and multitasking. And on the software front, it will come with the latest Android 16, delivering a super smooth and clean experience. Battery backup. No more stress about battery life. Because this thing packs a massive 7000 mAh battery. And the biggest deal, it supports 95-watt super fast charging. That means a full charge in about the time it takes to drink a cup of coffee. You also get the latest Type-C version 3 port. Price and launch date. Alright, folks, now onto the most important part. Despite all these high-end features, the estimated price for this phone is set at around just $799. That is a massive, explosive price compared to its competitors. And the launch date. Great news for Samsung fans worldwide, this phone is expected to launch by mid-2026. So, are you ready to get your hands on this new piece of magic from Samsung? Let us know in the comments below what you think about this phone.